We're from Malaysia. I'm Josephine, and this is Chef Dane, and we run F&B business in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we have 3 restaurants currently under our wings. We have restaurant Churchill and Hakka, which is a pork-free Chinese restaurant, and then we have Pizza and Pasta, which is Pizza Roma, and we have a fusion restaurant, which is Majestic Cafe.
I get to know PIF through the social media, and that's where after that I joined the online Zoom meeting with them, and from there after that we come and attend the actual meeting in Singapore. We drive to Singapore to attend the actual meeting here.
Chef Ding was complimenting on Dr. Khalil on his presentation, so we are very impressed with how Dr. Khalil present PIF. So we decided that we just come down here to actually see PIF and experience the presentation ourselves. After the preview, we already signed up for the silver membership. So this is our first time here as a silver member.
Yes, we've been running the F&B restaurants for more than 15 years in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we have make a lot of mistakes, and we have problems with partnerships and so on. So we like to find a company like PIF which can advise us the proper way of structuring the business and how to grow our business. So we are also planning to, in the future, want to list our restaurants, and I think PIF is the solution. They have the experience to show us step by step the financial roadmap to achieve our dreams.
PIF is like a family, like you said, pay it forward, right? It's a family. So I think it's a good partnership with PIF. We are very old school, when we do our business. So we want to fast track to achieve IPO. So that is why we find PIF is a good choice. We encourage SMEs, entrepreneurs to come to PIF, all right, if you want to fast track your business.
If you're planning to list your company, I think this is the right company, PIF, here to learn the financial roadmap and the step-by-step way of doing it.
Yeah.